Hello guys, in today's video I'll talk about how to fix Messenger isn't responding problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings, then scroll down to the app section, then go to the search and search Messenger, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the files and all the messengers data will be deleted. This includes all files, the settings, the accounts, the databases, etc. Also, you can try to turn on turn the Wi-Fi off and on, or the Bluetooth off and on, or the airplane mode. So you can try all this, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.